Andrea, I think the problem is psychological and the patient needs a psychologist. It's emotional. Yes, there is an emotional factor. In many cases, the patient also needs multidisciplinary support, needs multidisciplinary therapy, often a psychologist, sometimes a psychiatrist. But let me gently remind you, the one who deals with the facet fracture, the pain that doesn't go away, the implant that loosens, that unscrews is you. The one who hears that it broke again, or that the ceramic or resin didn't break, or that the patient is in pain is you. And when you pass this problem off to the psychologist, the patient notices and you lose your authority. When there is an emotional factor identified in the differential diagnosis, which is real, and I will teach you the steps of this structured differential diagnosis during Advanced Dentistry Week, when you understand how to make this differential diagnosis and realize that there is indeed an emotional factor involved, you will refer the patient to a psychologist guided by you. You become the authority who makes the referral, not the dentist who is just getting rid of the problem. It's different. Bruxism is not a hot potato for you to just toss from one hand to another. No, it needs a leader, and that leader is the dentist. Whether we want it or not, this is going to happen. The leader is the dentist, and they are the one who truly needs to take the reins of the differential diagnosis, treatment, and management.
If you want to know more about this topic, like and share this video with more dentists.